Crescent roll vegetable pizza is one of my childhood favorites. It is made with a flaky crescent roll crust, a flavorful cream cheese spread, and a colorful medley of fresh vegetables. The combination is delicious. Let me show you how to make it. You can use a can of the crescent rolls or a can of the crescent dough sheet. Unroll your dough. If you're using the crescent rolls, seam together any of the edges and form a rectangle. Bake 10 to 13 minutes at 375 degrees. Remove from the oven and cool. While it is cooling, make your cream cheese mixture. In a mixing bowl, combine cream cheese, sour cream, garlic powder, dill weed, and parsley. Spread the mixture on your dough, then top with your favorite vegetables. Next, you'll salt and pepper to taste. This is optional, but this is helpful. Cut a piece of parchment paper and use it to press the vegetables into the cream cheese. This will help secure your vegetables in place and make it easier to cut the pizza. Now this pizza is good as is, but if you would like, you can top with some of your favorite shredded cheese. You can serve this pizza immediately, but it's best chilled an hour or more before serving. For the full recipe and measurements and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstale.com.